Alright, here's a walk around video on this 2017 Chrysler Pacifica. This has got the BraunAbility conversion on it. You'll see on the skirts here. Point out any items that I see as we walk around. Got a little scratch here and here. Overall, the vehicle's in great shape for its miles. Got some little nicks right there. It's got good tires all the way around. Paint's in great condition. You've got the backup sensors here, as well as the backup camera, which is nice. There's a little crack here. Okay, so how this works is you can either use the key fob to open up the ramp system, or there's a Braun button right here. So we'll hit the Braun button since I don't have the key. The key is just sitting inside here. So you press that button, then the door is going to open. Then the ramp will come out. The vehicle is actually kneeling down as well. That reduces your ramp angle. So this is ideal for a driver-capable vehicle because it has the full power capability as well as the kneeling feature. You have a bench seat of 3 back there, and then you have a removable front seat, and then we have a power transfer seat base here. So the way that works is you grab the wand here, or you can use the controls on the side, and then you're able to make that seat base go back. And then you're able to make it turn right. So then you'd be able to transfer from your wheelchair being locked down here into the driver's seat. And you can make it go up and down. That way you get at the right height that you want for your transfer. And then you simply swing it back around and make it go forward. So then this has the push rock hand controls on the left side, plus the steering wheel. So this vehicle, like I said, is really driver capable setup as it is right now. Thank you so much for watching.